Good morning parents and good morning grade 3 learners. I hope that is going very well on this Thursday. We are going to do today's math lesson starting at page 88. So you can get your booklets and you can open on page 88. Okay guys, so page 88. Now remember yesterday we've done similar work. But yesterday we did addition plus. Today we are going to do subtraction, which is minus. Okay, that will be for today. So again, we still have Boosie's method and Dumi's method. But this time we're just going to do minus. Okay, so let's look at the example over here. So we have 87 minus 53. Now it's easier to make brackets because again, remember, we're going to take 87 and split it from tens and the units from each other. The same with the 53. Remember Boosie, she put all the tens together and she put all the units together. This is the tens, here we have the units. That's why if you make brackets, it's easier for you to see. Okay, I'm first going to do the minus there, then I'm going to do the minus there, and at the end I'm going to take the two answers and plus them to get my final answer. Although you see a minus here and you think everything has to be minus, but remember, because she's splitting it up, she's making it easier for herself. Therefore, make brackets for yourself because it will be easier for you to understand it from there. Okay, so 80 minus 50. Remember, it's easy to do it. You can just say 8 minus 5 is 3, and then you just add the 0, and then 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Therefore 30 plus 4 is 34. So that plus will move down to there because the minus will take place inside the brackets. So make brackets, it will make it easier for you to see. Okay, so that's Boosie's method. Now Dumi. Okay, remember, her method is a bit shorter. So what she didn't break it up tens and units, she broke up 87. That means it's 80 plus 7 minus 50 plus 3. Can you see the difference between Boosie and Dumi? Boosie did the minus inside the brackets. Dumi does the minus in the middle. She first wants to break up those numbers. Then she takes the minus over there. Then she's going to do 80 minus 50. You see, where Boosie did it inside the bracket, she does it outside the bracket. 80 minus 50 gives you 30. 7 minus 3 gives you 4. So the answer is 34. Okay, so now again, all the yellow blocks, you will do it using Boosie's method. All the pink blocks, you will do Dumi's method. Remember, make yourself brackets because it will make it easier for you to do it. Okay, the reason there's a plus over there is because it's 80 plus 7, which made 87. Okay, so yellow blocks, Boosie's method, pink blocks, Dumi's method. So that's it for page 88. Okay, so let's then go to page 89. Now, solve it. Again, we are still busy with units and tens. So, they say here, there are many ways to add units and tens together. Choose the way you know and like best to solve these problems. Show your work. Okay, so we have what we call word problems. Word problems is when they give you a sentence and you have to solve that problem. Okay, so let's look at A. Now, Peter first picks 34 peaches and then 67 peaches. So the problem that we have to solve is how many peaches all together. Now, if you look at the word all together, what does that word tell you? That word already helps you to know whether you are going to do addition, which is plus, or whether you're going to do subtraction, which is minus. So if you look at all together, it means we are going to do addition. That word tells us we are going to do addition because we want to know there are peaches, how many all together. Okay, so Peter picks 34 peaches. So he has 34. Then he picked 67 peaches more. How will we know how they have, what does he have all together? Okay. Now, remember now, here you had two methods. You had Boosie's method and you had Doomie's method. You can now choose which method you would like to use to solve these word problems. If you feel like Boosie's method is easiest for you, then you choose Boosie's method. If you feel like Doomie's method is easier, then you choose Doomie's method. Okay, so you must choose one of these two methods to solve the word problems. Okay, that's what you're going to do at A, B, and at C. So you're going to start, you're going to do it exactly like this. Here they already gave you the equation. The only difference is here you have a sentence, which is a word problem. But you still have your two numbers that you will use to do the methods. 34 plus 67. So you can start by writing that, and then you are going to choose which method is easiest for you. The same here with B. The Malusi kids saved 47 rand together. Their mother gives them another 58. How much do they have now? Their mother gave them another. What do those two words tell us? Will it be addition or subtraction? That's the first step you will have to do before you can do a word problem. You have to see whether it's addition or whether it's a subtraction. Sometimes it can even be multiplication or division. But in this case, it's either division or it's either subtraction or addition. So another and now means we are going to do plus. And C, the school bus travels 88 kilometers in the morning and 73 kilometers in the afternoon. How many kilometers all together? That's the word that will help you know whether it's a plus or a minus. And we know all together means it will be a plus. Okay, so that's what you're going to do on page 89. You're going to use Boosie or Doomie's method to do these problems. Okay, now page 90, the last page for today. We are going to continue with some word problems over here. Again, use any method you like. So again, you're going to choose one of these two methods. Okay, either Boosie's method or Doomie's method. So, Sipho counts out 87 bottle tops. There's Sipho. This is all his. Andile, his friend, counts out 38. Now this is an important one. How many more bottle tops does Sipho count then? andile. Whenever you have more and then in one sentence, let me give you that tip. If you have the word more and you have then, it means we are going to do a minus, because we want to now find out the difference between the two boys' tops. Okay, that's why we're going to do a minus. We want to know how many more does Sipho have than Andile. So we know he has more, but we want to know how many more. So if you see more and you see than, it means it's a minus. Okay. So again, you're going to take those two numbers, 87 minus 38, and you're going to choose one of these two methods, and you are going to do your work over there. Okay. At the next one, we have Musa. Now Musa sells tickets. He had 92 tickets to begin with. He has 67 left. How many tickets has Musa sold so far? Now the very important word over here is left. If you see the word left, it means it's a minus. Remember, in each word problem, there will be words to help you know whether you are going to do a plus or a minus. In this case, the word left indicates that we are going to do a minus. So again, then you take the two numbers, 92, remember the biggest number will always be first, minus 67, and then you choose one of the methods to help you do this. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So you must have a lovely weekend, and then we will continue again on Monday.